Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now we should turn on the speaker. So at the top, at the left side, right here we have power button. You need to press and hold at the power button until you will see the LED light, the buttons, meaning that you turn on it. Also you will hear the prompt. After that, if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, it enters to pairing mode automatically. And you will see it at the device list. Also we can check that it's in the pairing mode by the Bluetooth button, located at the back side. So if, right here we have it, if this button blinking white, meaning that your speaker in the pairing mode. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. And to enter pairing mode manually, you need to single press at the Bluetooth button. You will hear the prompt and this light start blinking white. So let's do this. Here we go. We just do this manually. After that, to pair it, you need to tap at your speaker at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!